Zeus! Good job, Whisper. Good job. Hey.
Hello. Do buddy.
You're adopted.
She was insistent. She says, no, I heard the window. So I got my time.
Yeah, come. Bitch, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Are you stuck?
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Meow.
She was a fairy.
I cannot hold it in anymore. I just wanna...
Can I have my noodles?
Hey.
I'll give you my address.
Oh my god. Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
Присоединитесь? Ох, да я... Вы не знаете.
Like, act like he... His ears.
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone.
Stop. Ow! Stop! You're bad as fuck.
Under arrest.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
It's gonna be hot. Prop herself up again. Feet like this here. Oh,
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? You want me to turn your game back on? Okay.
Don't touch my food.
Jojo.
How about we just like...
Should I get a dog?
Oh. Blue! No! I'll give you a piece.
She will soar into the heaven.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
I know you're about to bite me.
Ow! Please, oh my god.
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
She was insistent. She says, no, I heard the window. So I got my gun.
Are you done being rude? Oh, apparently not.
Y'all, he closed the cat in the kennel. You good? Ow! Ow!
Oh shit. What's going on, man?
Whoa. What are you doing? Oh no.
Funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em.
That's a sin. No.